show how to fill the Google Sheet. Send on the WhatsApp link. So first of all, click on WhatsApp, open the links. As this is the link for attendance sheet, I click on this. It will open the sheet. Now you can see on the very left side there are the subjects, all subjects, 6th class, 7th class, 8th, 9th subject. After 10 plus 1 class, 10 plus 2 class, their subjects, and total number of students are there. And on the right side you can see the dates, 14th May, 15th May, to mark the attendance for particular date on which you have taken the class. Now on the bottom you see attendance. These are the sheets. If you scroll towards the left or right, you will see the another sheet. Like for example, I am clicking on the next sheet. This is the 11th and 12th absentee. You can also read the absentee sheet name, that is 11th and 12th absentee. If you want to fill the absentee of plus 1 and plus 2 class, you can use this sheet. Here if you have, for example, on 14th May, take the example of CS plus 1 class. For instance, I say that roll number 10 and roll number 12 were absent. How will you fill this? Click on this. Now on the bottom of the screen, enter text or formula. Here you can write, for instance, I said roll number 10 comma roll number 12 were absent. You can fill this way. Take the another subject, for example, in 10 plus 2 class, sociology. You have some other roll number 101 and 104 were absent. How will you fill this? Click on this particular cell where you want to fill attendance of absentee. 101 comma 103 were absent. So I fill the absentee list for the 14th May for particular subject sociology and CS. Same way you can fill the on 15th May, 16th May. For example, on 16th May in physical education there were 3 students were absent. How will you fill? I will click on the 16th May. On the right side you can check row number 26 is for physical education and 16th May. Now I will write here 3 students were absent whose roll number were roll number 74 comma 23 comma 85. So after that click on this write button. You can click anywhere after filling. So I have filled the physical education. There were 3 students absent, 74 roll number 23 roll number 85. So after filling this, on the top corner left side you see the right icon. You click on this right icon and you will be back on the sheets. Same way I have to fill the attendance now. Click on the attendance sheet and there you can fill the attendance of the particular date for particular subject. After filling this, for the 6th and 10th class, if you want to fill the absentee of 6th to 10th class, you can also check the name of the sheet on the bottom of your mobile phone. it is right here 6th to 10th absentee. Same way 11th and 12th absentee. You can scroll this list. It will show you all the 3 sheets. There are basically 3 sheets. Total number of sheets are there, 3 sheets. One is for attendance for all the subjects 6th to 10th class. Another sheet is 11th and 12th absentee list. Another sheet is for 6th to 10th absentee. Now, for instance, on the left side you can check the class. It is 6th class. After that there is a subject English, 6th class English. Take this example. For instance, on 14th May there were 4 students absent whose roll number are roll number 5, roll number 6, roll number 7 and roll number 8. They were absent. So click on in front of English subject, click on that cell, particular cell. After this, enter text or formula. Here you can write the roll number of those student. Roll number 6, roll number 7, roll number 8 and roll number 5 were absent. After entering the roll number, you click on this right button on the right side. So this way I have entered the roll number of absentee student. For another example, you can scroll down this sheet to see all the classes. As I am scrolling it down, there you can fill for 7th class, 8th class, 9th class and 10th class absentee list. For instance, I have to fill the 10th class student social study on 15th May who were absent on 15th May. Then I will click on this cell on 15th May. I click on this cell in front of SST. I click on this. Then I click here enter text or formula. I click on this and you can enter the roll number of absentee student. For instance, there were 2 students absent whose roll number are 26, 67. So after entering the absentee roll number, you have to click on this right sign. After filling this sheet, on the topmost there is a right sign. You click on this for completing the process. So this way you can fill the absentee list on this sheet. So I have entered all the detail regarding the classes and absentee. You can fill the attendance by scrolling it left or right side, like attendance. Click on this. Click on attendance to fill the attendance. Click on 11th and 12th absentee. You can see the 11th and 12th absentee list. After that, click on 6th to 10th absentee. So this way you can fill this detail. Fill all the detail, then close this button after successfully filling all the detail. So if you have any doubt and any query, you can call me and I will be glad to answer all the queries related to filling this sheet, how you will fill this sheet. So thank you. That's it. I think it's easy process.